Hi guys, today we will discuss some multiplication techniques and we are discussing numbers which has base 100 and the numbers which are like close to 100. You understand me? Like the numbers which is 90, from 90 to 100 to 100 to 110. So we will have three types and we will learn the shortcuts for these three things together. The first thing is basically 94 into 92. So 94 is basically how much it is deficit from 100. So from 100 it is the difference is minus 6, right? So 94 is 6 less than 100. And in fact 92 is 8 less than 100. So now multiply minus 8 into minus 6. How much it is? It is 48. So write down 48 here. So 6 into 8 is 48, minus becomes positive. So 48, next do one thing, 94 minus 8. Now how much is 94 minus 8? So 94 minus 8 is nothing but 86. Or also you can do another thing. What is 92 minus 6? Anything you can do. Either you do 94 minus 8 or you do 92 minus 6. Both are fine. So this will basically give you how much? That is 86, and here I have already written 86. Now check with your calculator whether this is the answer or not. So the answer is 8648, the fastest technique. I will use another example to just make it easier for you. 91 into 98, so 91 is basically minus 9 and 98 is basically minus 2. Now how is 9 into 2? Minus becomes positive obviously. So 9 into 2 is basically 18. Now let's do 91 minus 2 and how much it is? 89. So write down 89 here. So your answer is 8918. In fact, you can do 98 minus 9 also, which also gives you the same value, 89. So the answer is 8918. This is the numbers where both of these things are less than 100. You can see I have taken numbers 91, 98 and 94, 92. This is the case where both numbers are less than 100. Next, we will discuss when both numbers are more than 100. So that is the second one. So it is 102 into 107. So now how much it is more? It's more by 2. So 102 is 2 more than 100. 107 is 7 more than 100, right? So what is 2 into 7? 14. So write down 14 here. So 2 into 7 is 14 and 102 plus 7. How much it is? That gives you 109. Or you can do the same as 107 plus 2 also. And write down this 109 here. So it's basically become 10914. Now next think about this. Here how much it is more? This is 4. And how much it is more from 100? This is 16. Now remember one thing. It's not plus 6, it's plus 16 because our base is what? Our base is 100. So 116 is nothing but 16 more than 100. So write 16 here also. So what is 16 into 4? 16 into 4 is 64. Now write down 64 here. The next thing is do 116 plus 4 and how much it is? 120 and write down 120 straight here. So your answer is 12064. This will take you less than 10-15 seconds to solve. Now you have seen two things, right? When both numbers are less than 100, both numbers are more than 100 and close to 100 obviously. Now if one number is more than 100 and one number is less than 100, and hence these are two examples. This one is more than 100, this one is less than 100. Now think about it first. If it is plus 2, then this is minus 3. And I know in the first two cases we have minus that is positive, we have plus that is positive. Now what is plus into minus? That is negative. So this is minus 6. Now remember about minus 6. So minus 6 I cannot write it here, right? I cannot write minus 6 here. So what I need to do? I need to do 100 minus 6. 100 minus 6 is basically nothing but 94. So 94. So if it is minus 6, subtract from what? Subtract it from 100. So what it is? 94. Now write down 94 here. Next, do the same thing. Either do this or do this. So it will become how much? 99 or this will also become 99. But in this case, you need to do another thing. You need to do subtract 1 also. So it is basically 98. So whatever you're getting by doing this cross thing, you need to subtract 1 again. So this is 98, write down 98. Now why I'm subtracting 1? Because from this 100, I'm basically subtracting it. So for this 100, I'm basically subtracting 1 from 99. Do you understand this? So similarly do this question. This one is plus 8, obviously. And this one is minus 6. So it has to be how much? That is minus 48. Now I cannot have minus 48. So what the next step? Subtract from 100. So it will become how much? 52. So I just write down 52 here. So 100 minus 42, 52 I have written down here. Then now next important thing is if 52 I have already written down here. Next is 94 plus 8. How much it is? 102. And we need to subtract 1 from here. So 102 minus 1 is 101. So write down 101. So in this case, in case of when one number is more than 100, one is less than 100, you need to understand what we are doing. We are basically, first we are getting a negative number, we are subtracting it from 100, that is one step. The second step, do the cross thing and also add 1, also subtract 1 from that. So I'll get 102 minus 1 is 101, so your answer is 101.52. Hence, I have made you these things clear. We'll see you in the next video.